So another quick thing that I got was some new bumper marker lights. I bought these ones, but you can't really tell. I mean, a little bit there that they're yellowish, so they're supposed to be clear. They're a little old and oxidized, so um, I just got some new ones off of eBay. I mean, they're not fitting perfect. I'm gonna have to sand down the tabs a little bit, make them fit perfect, but for now they're gonna work, and we're gonna slap those in. So if you don't know how to slap those in, I'll show you real quick. Hey guys, so got these new bumper marker lights for the bumper. I had some old Hella Clear ones that were turning yellow. I bought used off of another guy, but I just didn't really like the way they looked yellowing. So I got these eBay ones. Tab broke in shipping, but I don't think it will really affect anything. But I like the way they look. Sometimes you have to sand these down, so we'll see how this one fits. We're gonna slap it in the bumper real quick here. So what you do is, I already took the old one out, so you're just gonna put this one in, line it up, press on the front right here, push it in, line it up. There's the two tabs in the back, and then this one fits actually perfect, which is a big surpriser for some eBay ones. But I really like the way it looks. It matches the clear one up here. I mean, it has the ribbon, but this one doesn't, but I like the way it looks because it's nice and clear. So, gonna end the video there, and